I've never met anyone quite like her before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided I'll pick up the camera and film a few days for you guys. Oh snap, it's about to go green. Okay, we'll redo this later. Guys, so welcome to my little office for the day. But yeah, this is what I'm working on. This is what we're working on the last 2 days. Guys, I can't explain to you guys how smooth this is. Like, it's so smooth. They don't do too great a job over here, but anyway, it's minor. But yeah, this is the space that we're working on, and I don't know, it feels so surreal, and I'm like so grateful. Wait, I think the lighting's better here. And I'm saying it feels so surreal, and like I'm so grateful that I'm actually able to do this, and you know, God has blessed me with clients that trust me enough to see her vision through, and the guys I'm working with as well, no problem so far. He's a little bit pricey, but also, you know, like with these things, it's always better if you know, if you have like better knowledge of how construction works, and then you can actually get your people. But whenever you do have to deal with a contractor, you will pay a little bit more. So because, you know, this is like my biggest single-handed project, I wasn't comfortable enough to DIY it. That just doesn't make sense. So I did get a contractor. I trust the guy. So far he's delivered and things look good, so I'm happy. But yeah, so maybe I'll show you guys a little bit more of what we're doing today, but I don't want to show you guys too much on this video because I'll be doing a separate video, obviously, for this thing. This is just like a few days in my life. So this is how the board would look over here. I'm pretty happy with that scale. Let me try to show you guys a different angle. Lazy Sunday. I'm vlogging before you just hear, hey guys. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm with my sister now. Say hi, sister. Hey. We're gonna go to her birthday shoot. So I actually want to see what it's about because I'm also considering doing, well, mine's only like in July, but I also want to do like a nice birthday thing.
Yeah, it's just, you know, like for the past 2 years I've been saying I'll do a birthday
You
shoot,
have been,
and then
especially last year you said you wanted to do one.
Yeah, I should have done it for my 30th really, but like, you know.
Yeah. Which guys are you using?
And they're the thing is, birthday shoots, like taking photo shoots professionally done is expensive.
It can
That's
be.
the other thing. So
But these studios sometimes they give like specials and things.
Specials for what?
For like if you book out their studio, then they get like a photographer special.
Oh,
Then you
I
get,
see.
yes.
I don't need the champagne. You feel like a vacation. I don't care what they say. You make me feel like I just got paid, like I'm sipping rosé. I love the way that you taste, baby. I feel like I'm living luxury.
Baby, I know it's Yeah, got me feeling lucky. Come my way, you lovely. I've been waiting for you for a while. I've been waiting for you. What's the word? What's the word? What's the word? Yeah. What's the word? I've been waiting for you.
Hey guys, so anyway, this is what, day 2? No, actually I don't know. The last time I picked up the camera was on Friday. Today's Tuesday. Shucks, I have so much to do today. I'm just taking a breath right now because I don't even know if you guys can see me because I'm sitting down in such a weird angle. I'm too lazy to set up the tripod, but I think if I hold it up, you guys can definitely see me. But yeah, anyway, like I was saying, I have a lot of things that I need to do today before heading out to Bumi's place. I kind of started my morning a little bit late. I was just so tired. And then I kept debating if I should go to gym or not. And eventually I just told myself, girl, just go. Please just go to gym. So yeah, right now today's mission, by the way, is lighting. So the store that I want to try out over here, my client suggested that I try them out. And I'm going to go to Leroy Merlin because I saw nice ceiling lights that I want to put up on Leroy Merlin. And there was another light that I saw online. Shucks, I really hope that... My arms are heavy. I really hope that I can find a substitute for the light that I wanted to put in the first bedroom, the brown bedroom, because the lights that I originally wanted are going to take too long to come. So we need to find a good alternative and one that isn't online. So wish me luck that I get everything today, because another store that I found is all the way in Pretoria and it's an hour drive and I do not want to go there. Like, I really don't want to go there. But they seemed to have a lot of like what's trendy right now. Like if you guys like search lights and you want like really trendy modern lights, you're gonna find mostly online places. And I don't know, I feel nervous about ordering online, especially when I'm ordering for someone else. I don't know. Anyway, wish me luck. Let me try and down this smoothie that does not taste great, but yeah.
J'aime sentir la musique. Je peux sentir le jazz, ça me fait quelque chose. Et la musique classique. Apparemment, la musique classique c'est pour la tête un peu. Et le jazz c'est pour le corps.
Luckily, I found some really good items, showed them to my client, and she's sold. Gonna purchase the rest of the lights tomorrow.
As for renovation updates, it's as far as I take you guys to give you something to look forward to. That video to follow soon, promise. Hey guys, it's another day of this vlog. I don't even know. Let me stop saying what day it is because a lot is happening every day and I'm not vlogging every day. But I'm here back at Leroy Merlin and we are going to be meeting up with a client to discuss. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna meet up with the clients to discuss fudge, where's my train of thoughts, to look at tiles, to look at marble tiles for a feature design that we're doing for one of the rooms. And then afterwards I'm gonna meet up with my friend for like lunch. I haven't seen her in so long. I really haven't seen her. I miss her. So yeah, and these people are looking at me filming myself, which is awkward, but anyway, clients is not here yet, so I'll probably just grab a coffee while I wait. Yeah, I think they paint them often because even the last time we were here. Oh, and it smells nice. Hey peeps, so it's been a few days since we last saw each other. I know I showed you guys like a little bit of what's happening with my sister's wedding. We went to her wedding venue and we checked out like her little mock-up of how the tables are gonna look like. It looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. Like, it just makes me crave wanting to have a wedding. Not so much a marriage, but like definitely having a wedding. But yeah, anyway, I thought I should come here and actually sign off this video properly. But before I do that, I wanted to show you guys some of the items that I've been collecting. Let me try put this down nicely. So yeah, anyway, as I was saying, I wanted to show you guys some new items that I've gotten. I got these in Jan. Oh, I forgot how pretty these were. But look at this. It's so cute. It's like these mini goblets. I got a set. I love them so much. It's got like lion heads here. Very oh, and check here, it's got like this patina on it. It looks like I can clean it off though, but it's got like blue stains as well, and it's like kind of rusted. Well, not really rusted, but it just has some patina on it. Love it. And then another thing that I got is this little, I don't know what this thing is actually. I think it's like it's for your tea, because it has this not diffuser, it has this like strainer thing. So I think you would put like a tea bag in here and then pour it out. But yeah, this is another item I like. I kind of liked the wood detail over here. I liked how it was aged, and also like the patina on this one as well, because it's not, I mean, I could like repolish it, but I like the look of these things. And then another item I got. Ooh, let me actually show you now because I didn't have to unbox it. Oh no, I left it in the car. Okay, never mind. Let's just unbox this. I've mentioned this store to you guys before, but it's this thrift boutique online on Instagram that I like to buy from. What tray is up? I wonder. I like to buy from these guys because they have like really nice things sometimes and super affordable. Oh snap, it's actually bigger than I thought it would be. So I got candle holders from these guys. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. It's a pair of two. Oh. Well, it's not a pair of two. It's a bag. It comes in two. And then this is the second one. It's giving me like gothic vibes. Oh, it's so beautiful. How gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. I like the rust look as well. And then here is the second pair. I actually thought I was gonna use one to style in the project that I'm working on, but I don't know. I like them too much to give away. I don't know. And yeah, here's this other thing that I'm not sure what it is. If you guys know what this is, please do let me know. It's giving me Aladdin vibes. And then these. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to get onto my home. I can't wait to start with these. So right now, our styling situation, I still need to sort out these 3 chairs. Baby girl needs some water. But anyway, so right now, this is what I pretty much have as like our main styling unit. It's changed a lot here, but I'm not in love with it. Let me try to show you a much larger angle. Okay, so here it is. I want to do like a wall unit over here, something that will go from down here to up there, but I don't want it to be bulky. I feel like my home is small and something bulky won't look so good. Also, I don't really want it to cover the whole wall. I think how wide this is, no, wide is this way, how long it is. Yeah, I think how long it is pretty good. So I want to do like some closed cabinets over here, probably like up to where, maybe a little bit higher, maybe up to where that little shelf line is. Some cabinets over here, and then shelves, and then another cabinet up top. I want to do shelves in the middle so it has a little bit of breathing room. But yeah, I want something that goes doo-doo-doo, and I want it to be dark wood. That's why I bought these chairs, because like I really love dark woods, warm tones right now. I think they're super in. And yeah, I'm gravitating towards dark tones. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all. Oh, comments as well. I'll see you all in the next one. I'm making some mousses right now, and I think the oil is ready. So, toodles.